Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You should not be asked to turn off Windows Defender without a strong, legitimate reason. It protects your device from common threats. Once you consider disabling it, make sure you understand the risks. Increased exposure to malware, phishing, and ransomware. Instead of immediate removal, evaluate why you think it's necessary and whether alternatives exist. If you are in an organization, contact your IT administrator first. This avoids accidental data loss and keeps security policies intact while you explore safer options. If a specific app or task conflicts with Defender, try safer workarounds. Once done, consider adding exclusions for that file or folder so Defender won't block a trusted program. Make sure to only exclude known, verified items. Another option is to install a reputable third-party antivirus, which will typically handle replacement cleanly via Windows Security. Also ensure Windows and antivirus signatures are up to date. Many false positives vanish with updates. These approaches keep protection active while solving. If disabling Defender is absolutely required for a sanctioned task, only proceed under administrator guidance and document every change. This ensures accountability. Once the task finishes, make sure to restore protection promptly. If something goes wrong, unexplained network behavior, new pop-ups, or error messages, re-enable Defender at once and run a full scan or contact IT support for incident response. This minimizes exposure and helps you recover quickly. Prevention and rapid restoration are the keys to staying safe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.